Hey guys, and welcome back to the Lighting Controls Podcast. We are live from the LEDucation floor. Cannot be more excited to be here. I just want to remind everyone, this live stream is presented by the LCA, the Lighting Controls Academy, and financially supported by NAILD, the National Association of Innovative Lighting Distributors. And thank you again to our sponsor for today's live streams, RepSpec. They are an amazing AI tool for manufacturers and for reps. And if you are not checking out RepSpec yet and the power of the AI tools they have that can help you with your submittals and everything else, or even just finding compatible products, you should absolutely be checking them out. All right, let's jump into the conversation. We have Nick here with us. Nick, why don't you give us a quick breakdown on who you are and what you do?
Thanks for having me here. I'm the CEO of a company called Meshler. Meshler is a wireless control system based on Bluetooth Mesh coming from Germany. And we connect not only lighting components, but also smart home components. We've been in also industrial industry space, and also hospitality. So we've got some solution for each of those niches.
That's awesome. So who else do you work with? It sounds like you partner with a few other brands.
Yeah, right. So here in the US, we work with MW Connect and Wong. There are also a few others in CDI, for example. Then driver manufacturers like Q-Power, and a few others. We have a ecosystem of not many, but very diverse different manufacturers.
Yep, that's awesome. And so what is different about your product than some of the other stuff out on the market?
Yeah, so the focus that we have is on simple to use, so it's very intuitive to use, and offline first.
Awesome.
So our system, regardless of the scale, works completely offline. You can start with just a few devices, and you can scale up to multiple thousand systems, but it all can work completely in intranet. So no bits and bytes, leave your site, your project, you don't have to register. So it opens up a lot of markets where other systems do require those things, cannot get in.
Right, yeah, so that's actually really helpful because we've been talking a lot about that already today, and even just these quick streams about the importance of sort of those smaller projects, right? And the ones where, especially when you necessarily can't get an outside connection, and how do you handle those? And it sounds like you provide a solution for those types of projects.
Yeah, right. When we started, we actually had an idea of Bluetooth Mesh 12 years ago for our own. Now there are many others, companies who are doing this, but we at Meshler actually focused exactly on those little projects and scaled slowly to larger projects by providing always intuitive solution. This is what you want. It doesn't. You don't want to have a complicated solution, neither for small projects nor for actually big projects. Right. So to handle a project easily and to repeat the same thing over and over again, regardless of the scale, this is what actually can help reach the clients, to reach the niches where you couldn't do this before.
That's awesome.
So we in Meshler do all of that completely in Germany. We develop software completely in Germany, but partner with different manufacturers all over the world, and have partners who distribute those products. And we happy to help companies to understand how to use it. It's easy, but still to support them to understand what is the benefit for them and to get the feedback from them from the market and implement new stuff.
That's awesome. That's amazing. All right, so how's the show going so far?
It's amazing. It's packed. It is a bit too crowded for my taste. In some areas, it's just too much. But at the same time, I like how everything is, every company is almost the same size. Yeah. Everybody is equal. It's all about networking. It's all about, talking with people and connecting with people. So we enjoying it a lot, and awesome. This is one of those opportunities.
I love it. Nick, thank you so much for coming by. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you, guys. I just want to remind you to check out our sponsor, RepSpec AI. If you have not checked out their AI tools, make sure you absolutely do that. They're an amazing tool for you guys. Make sure you check it out. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.